a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eSkillszone.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a computer program to understand the concept of user-defined function in DW basic programming language. So we will start a def fn statement, which is actually used to define a user-defined function in GW basic programming language. Must be executed before the function it defines may be called. If a function is called before it has been defined, an undefined user function error occurs. Very important point to note. Def fn is illegal in the direct mode. Recursive functions are not supported in the def fn statement. Def fn can define either numeric or string function. Def fn returns a single string if name is string variable name and a numeric value if name is a numeric variable name. Now we will discuss the program to understand the concept of it. First we will write it down over here and then we will execute in the IDE and we will see the result as well. Okay, so the example is on line 10. We will type rem for remark. Line 20, we will type def fn x, name of the function, and then we will pass the argument y like this, equal to y. This symbol is known as caret and is used for exponential calculation. The power y raised to the power 2, and then this whole expression will be divided by y itself on line 30. Input statement is used. Enter any two numbers, double quotes close, semicolon, a comma b, line 40. C equal to def fnx, where def fn is a keyword which is used to define a function. X is the name of the function and a is now passed as an argument, and then again def fn x. Now b is passed as an argument, so x, a and b will be input by the user respectively. line 50, print C, and then when you run it, then the output will be like if we enter any two numbers, like if we give 4 and 5, then the answer will be 50. How? Let's see. We will use the IDE and we'll execute this program. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. Okay, now viewers, now on line 10 we will type RAM, on line 20 we will type def f. So this def is actually used to define the name of the function, where fn is used to represent the function, and whereas x is the name of the variable, y is used as an argument over here, equal to sign. The expression is y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 2 divided by y itself. Line 30 we will type input, please enter first number a. Line 40 input, please enter second number equal to sign double quotes close, comma b. Line number 450 we will type c equal to fnx. Now we will replace the value of y with variable a over here. It will be input by the user, and then plus sign, and then fnx, and then give the value of b over here like this, and then we will use the print statement and type print c. And when we press the F2 key, now it asks, program is now executed, and it asks us to give the value of a. So we'll give 4 over here to the value of a and 5 to the value of b, and the answer is 50. And if we run it again and then give 6 as an a and 7 as b, then the answer is 98. So every time we give different values, the output will be different accordingly. So let's discuss the execution of this program in the text area. Viewers, now I'm going to interpret this program, the above program, and its output, how this program is executed. So on line 10, rem statement is used, which is for remark, any remark. On line 20, def fn statement is used to define the function, the user defined function, with an argument with variable named y, and at the same time the expression y raised to the power 3 plus y raised to the power 2 divided by y itself on the right hand side is assigned and then stored to the left hand side function name fnx, argument y. Please keep it in your mind that the keyword def is used to define the user defined function only. So these are very important to know, because def is only used to define the user defined function, whereas fn is the name of the function, and x is the variable used for it, and y is passed as an argument. On line 30, input statement is used with the message enclosed in double quotes. Please enter first number, and same will be displayed on the screen after running the program, comma, after the double quotes close is used to give a space, and numeric variable named A will be input by the user. On line 40, input statement is again used with the message closed in double quotes. Please enter second number, and same will be displayed on the screen just after running the program by pressing the F2 key, comma, after the double quotes. I'm talking about this comma right after the double quotes, this one before A and B, comma, after the double quotes is used to give a space, and numeric variable named B will be input by the user. On line 50, expression fn x a plus fn x b on the right hand side is assigned and then stored to the left hand side numeric variable C. Now C contains the whole expression, contains the value. We'll write that. Now C contains the calculated value of the whole expression, the right hand side, mentioned on the right hand side by using assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 60, print statement is used to display the value now stored in numeric variable C. So this is the interpretation of the program. Now I'm gonna interpret the output of this program. So let's see how it is done. After executing means running the above program, user asked first to give value of A, and now user gives 4 and as value of A and 5 as a value of B, and after the calculation of the user defined function, def fn x y, the output is 50. Second time, user gives different values like 6 as an A and 7 as B, so the output of the program changes accordingly, and the result after calculation is 98. So every time we give different value, we will receive different output. Like in the first attempt we gave 4 as first value, which will be stored in variable A, and then 5 as the second number, which will be stored in variable B. The answer is 50. But in the second attempt we gave 6 as a value of A and 7 as value of B. The answer is 98. So every time the answer changes according to the values input for A and B respectively. That's all, viewers. We have discussed a program today, its interpretation, its execution by using the user-defined function. Def is the keyword which is used to define a function. Fn is the name of the function, whereas x is the name of the variable. It is always used with the function name, and y is used as an argument. And here this line is very important, because this is the key line which actually generates an output, gives the output of the program, which is c is equal to fnx a and plus fnx argument b. So here in this formula, according to this, first the value of y is replaced with the value of a, and the value of y is replaced with the value of b. Now I'm gonna discuss the execution of the value of a. Like we have given the value of a as 4, so 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 4 4 is 16, and then 16 is equal to into 4 is equal to 64. But here y raised to the power is 2, so 4 raised to the power 2 is equal to 16, so 64 plus 16 is equal to 80, and when 80 is divided by 4, we receive the value of fnx a So 64 plus 16 is equal to 80, and when 80 is divided by 4 is equal to 20. So the value of fnx a calculated right after the calculating this formula is 20, and when we gave the value of b as 5, so 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 125, and 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to 25. So 125 plus 25 makes 150, and 150 is divided by 5 itself, then the answer is 30. So 20 plus 30 makes 50. So here, viewers, in the first attempt, when we executed this program and gave the value of a as 4 and 5 as b, then the answer is 50. Likewise, when we gave the value of a as 6 and b as 7, then the answer is 90. It's very simple, but we need to very much be concentrated and focused while understanding the concept of and logics of the execution of the program, because this is the whole programming is logical. So we need to be very much logical, needs to understand the logics of the program, how it is, how each and every keyword, every calculation is being performed, and what is the reason and what is the purpose of each and every statement used, like input, def, fn, fnx, y. Each and every concept must be clear in order to understand the logic and execution of the programming. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will discuss more programs to understand the concept of user-defined function in GW basic programming language.